On the night of 18th March, a Pakistani drone was spotted in the Bamial area of Punjab's Pathankot district, leading to a massive joint anti-terror search operation along the international border.
Another attempt by the Pakistani side to push in weapons into the Indian territory has been foiled by the BSF, as a drone which was on its way to the Indian territory in the Pathankot district of Punjab was foiled by BSF late last night, and now a massive search operation has been launched by the BSF Punjab Police along with the special weapon and tactics teams of the Punjab Police. And this is really important because it is just few meters away from the place Bamial, where earlier incident has taken place on 14th of this month, and within
Spotted for the second time in 5 days near Pakistan's Shakargarh district, an active terror launch pad lurking nearby has led the forces to heighten their vigil.
5 days, second incident of a drone attempt by the Pakistani side to push in weapons was observed here, after which the BSF troops fired upon that very drone and it went back to the Pakistani territory. But there are desperate attempts by the Pakistani side to push in weapons as well as terrorists into the Indian side, and this area is just opposite to the Pakistan's Shakargarh district, which is a home to a launch pad called Ikhlaspur, which is in just opposite to this very area. And from here Pakistan is trying to push in weapons as well as terrorists into the Indian territory, and the attempts have increased post the Pakistan agreed to abide by the ceasefire norms on 24th and 25th of February, and now it is shifting its focus to the Punjab side.
Pakistan's attempt to smuggle weapons into Indian territory has been foiled 3 times in 45 days.
45 days में it is third drone sighting in the Pathankot border area. हमारा जो है कल भी एक शाम के तकरीबन 7:20 में शाम को जो है ड्रोन स्पॉट किया था ओल्ड बमियाल पोस्ट ने BSF ने। तुरंत हमने रात को जो है पूरी पार्टी अलर्ट कर दी थी, और सवेरे जब हमने BSF के साथ में जॉइंट सर्च ऑपरेशन किया, जिसमें हमारी SWAT टीम और SOG टीम ने भी सर्च किया है, लेकिन दौरान ये सर्च हमारे पास कोई भी शक की वस्तु अभी तक रिकवर नहीं हुई।
With a no-drone zone now declared, all local residents have to now report any drone activity.
At a place called the Choki Bamial, which is just near to the international border, and an advisory has been pasted on this board. This is the kind of advisories that can be seen throughout, and it has written that this is a no drone zone, and this area comes under the range of Indo-Pakistan international border.
India's vigilant forces have made it clear, Pakistan's attempt at terror will not succeed.
Chance to make it sure that the whole of the area is sanitized, because there is a continuous threat from across the border that Pakistan is trying to push weapons as well as terrorists into the Indian territory.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.